What's up, folks? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the best gaming desk according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first, we have the Flexispot Height Adjustable. This gaming desk structure, which is made of double steel tubing, offers enough support for the jolting that comes with intense gaming, so that equipment remains stable whether you're seated or standing. With a touch of a button and Flexispot, it's simple to go from a sitting position to a standing one in just 10 seconds. Even better, it is made of environmentally friendly chipboard and has a 1-inch thick work surface on each height adjustable desk. You can be confident that you'll be able to discover the ideal top to match your needs with a wide variety of color and size options available, and you can feel good about choosing the environmentally friendly option. Also, it enhances mouse tracking for the best gaming performance, and because it is a typical electric height-adjustable desk frame, it guarantees effortless and comfortable changes. Next, we have the MojoDesk. Unlike the other low-feature options on this list, MojoDesk Gaming Bundle, the Mojo Gamer Pro, includes all the required trimmings. The highly regarded standing desk from the company is combined in this gaming desk combination with their Magic Snap cable tray, chain, power bar, and monitor arm, and CPU tower hanger, giving everything you need to keep things in order and under control. It adds one of the best cable management systems we've ever had, and using that ensures no cable is misplaced or an eyesore. Of course, the desk remains the most important element of the situation, and this is one of the strongest desks we've ever used, and one of the smoothest and quietest motors. Finally, assembling the entire device is surprisingly simple. Although 2 people are recommended for the job, we have managed to complete it with just 1. Next up, we have the Thermaltake ToughDesk. With its dazzling 16.8 million RGB color illuminations, this desk can give you the clearest visibility and most striking appearance throughout your gaming sessions. In fact, you can go a step further and select from 7 different lighting effect settings with changes for brightness and illumination speed. You may adjust the desk height between 27.5 inches and 43.3 inches, and the high-quality motor is designed to sustain and resist the most demanding gaming orders. Even better, this ToughDesk 300 RGB has a cloth mousepad that is made with a sturdy sewing edge design and optimized with a semi-coarse textured weave. Users may alter the desk height and transition between sitting and standing thanks to the electric height-adjustable buttons on the device. And in addition to this, you can also keep your wires neat, orderly, and organized with a cable management tray system for a workstation that operates without clutter. Next is EUREKA Ergonomic 60-inch. This desk can give you a full spectacle of your desk, lights, and music all sync thanks to a special mix of music sensing RGB LED lighting effects and cool glass desktop. The cutting-edge EUREKA GTG L60 lights-up glass desk design provides the ideal environment for content creation, home offices, music studios, and more. With its 27 music sync modes, you may also add synchronized RGB illumination to your gaming experience. Multicolor static mode, 10-spectrum cycle mode, and sleep mode are all included. And for relaxing visual pleasures, you can change the light intensity, color-changing pace, and musical sensitivity. It uses a 6mm thick, deep heat, and water-resistant tempered glass desktop, while its custom-grade carbon steel frame's high protective powder coating assures a strong and long-lasting performance. Flexispot EC1 is next. For those on a tight budget, the Flexispot EC1 is an excellent electric standing desk. It's eco-friendly, whole-piece desktop, which requires little room on your office or home floor, can store your laptop, monitor, and more. It also allows smoother height adjustments from 28 to 47.6 inches at a speed of 1 inch per second with less noise while operating. Its 154 pounds weight capacity is supported by an industrial-grade steel frame and sturdy desktop, which together enable your perfect workspace layout. Also, here both independent and remote employees may maintain an active, healthy lifestyle and productivity while working from home, thanks to the ideal standing desk. Because of this, you may precisely alter your desk height and add beneficial movement to your day. To sum up, the Flexispot is something to think about if you're searching for an electric standing desk but don't have a lot of money to invest. Lastly, we have the VITESSE. This desk can offer a ton of space for your gaming monitors, PC, gaming keyboards, and other gaming equipment, thanks to the 63 inches carbon fiber desktop, the big PVC laminated surface, and the mousepad. Its robust steel frame holds up its PVC tabletops. And along with that, it also has a load-bearing capacity of up to 260 pounds and T-shaped legs for more robust support. While working or playing games, you can charge your phone, iPad, or headphones using the clever USB gaming handle racks for charging ports. And these professional tools come with a USB gaming handle rack, storage tray, cable grommets, cup holder, and headphone hooker holder, which improves the gaming experience. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.